So I've got my mosquito stickers here from BugMD. Now these are a little bit different than other bug repellents that I've seen. Now this is a good alternative to DEET in that this actually has citronella on here. So it's got 10% citronella. And so the way it works is that the scent is what's going to keep the bugs away. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put this on any type of fabric, say a shirt. You're not going to put this on your skin. It's not recommended to. And it's recommended also that you put like 4 at a time. And so what you're going to do is, as the scent starts to die down, when you can't smell it anymore, because that's what keeps the bugs away, then you're going to go ahead and replace that and just put this maybe on a backpack, your shirts, or really just any type of fabric. Now this is a pack of 78. They do make packets with a lot more than this, so it really just depends on how many you're going to need. And they also have some that are for kids, so they have little kid figures. So it's almost like a Band-Aid in a way, because this is fabric. We have just adhesive here on the back side. We got fabric on the front with the citronella embedded on there. So it works really good. When you open up the packet, you can definitely smell the citronella. I mean, citronella has been around forever. Typically you're going to see citronella on some candles and stuff. People are going to put around maybe their patio to keep the bugs away. So it definitely works. It's been proven year after year. And it's pretty cool that this is so handy. You just put this in your purse, your backpack, and keep the bugs away. Hope you found this helpful.